Hey everyone, I wanted to bring you a quick video of a chili harvest and the final product. This is a plant I bought from my local Home Depot at the end of the season. It already had this full bloom and it was only $4. Also, Home Depot has a 1-year return policy on plants. I probably wouldn't return this little guy, but for bigger purchases like a tree, it's a nice safety net. I hope to not only harvest this plant more than once, but also to grow child plants from the seeds. There isn't much to harvesting these super chilies. They change from yellow to red, and once they are at their deepest red, and before they start shriveling, it is optimal to pick them. I'm using a pair of trimmers that have been disinfected with acetone and fire, that way we don't transfer any illnesses through the cuts. Cut about 1 centimeter down the stem, and that will keep the chilies edible for longer. Since we are drying these chilies, this step doesn't really matter, but it's good to get in the habit. To dry these chilies, I cut off the top. I try to leave as many seeds as possible inside the chili because I like their flavor and spice profile. Set your oven to its lowest temperature, and we'll sit the chilies in the middle of the oven on a rack and check them hourly. Once the chilies crunch under your finger, then they are ready to be crushed or stored. Crush the chilies or leave them whole, and you'll be ready to use them in your next meal.